Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use AI tools for content summarization. So for this case I'll use Gemini. For those who are using iPhones, you can use Siri. You can give it the same commands and then it will give you the content you want to summarize. So I'll ask Gemini the following question or the following sentence. This is more like a prompt I'm giving to this AI. I'll give it a prompt that says, create for me a short story of a man in love with his wife in not more than 500 words. And then I'll tap on send. So when you tap on send, it would say, just a second. So this means Gemini is creating for me this short story. As you can see, the story has started and it is as follows. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee drifted up the stairs. A silent sympathy, as you can see, that is a story. Actually, you can even tell Gemini to read for you this story by doing so. Just tap on this microphone. Once you tap on the microphone,
the aroma of freshly brewed coffee drifted up the stairs. A silent symphony, signalling the start of Thomas's day. He stretched, a contented sigh escaping his lips, and glanced at the end.
Alright, so I'll pause it, but that's how you can use AI tools for content summarization. The AI tool has made for me the short story of a man in love with his wife, and it can even read for me this story. That's amazing, not so? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet in the next video once again.